What's up, everybody? My mom was actually on conference in California, and since I live in Denver now, I decided to fly out to San Diego and see her since I can't always see her like I could back in Maryland. California was, oh my god. What did the locals say? The weather is either nice or nicer. I mean, it was that good. Close to the beach, the sun's always shining. I mean, wake me up when I'm done dreaming, please. Arriving in Cali was surreal. The palm trees were way more commanding with their presence than I had imagined. They were just towering in the sky like pieces of art. Check this out. Enjoy. Isn't it weird as hell we're in California?
I know. I don't think it's like even. Oh my god!
Wow.
Wow! What in the world?
What's that for? Those fireworks were absolutely insane. The first night from our 9th floor balcony, we heard this bomb sound going off, and we're sitting there after a long nap, a long day of travel. We're like, what the hell is going on? Like, what are these bombs going off? And we opened the window to see, as you saw, those beautiful fireworks just going off by the bridge and by the bay, and I can literally picture it right now talking about it as if it's in front of me. It was absolutely amazing. After that, we went to La Jolla and we saw seals and sea lions. So this next clip is just a clip of what I believe is sea lions kind of fighting each other and then relaxing. And then that goes into the sunset and just great vibes, great times. So check that out, enjoy that. Here it is.
Like it is here, of course, they have a light sprinkle now and then. Light sprinkle, that's South Pacific. From there, the boat's going, the island disappeared again. And I understand that Crosby just went to England. That's silly, I thought London had all the fog it needed.
So what you saw at the end of that clip was the Bob Hope Memorial. If you don't know who Bob Hope is, he was a comedian that went around and just did a lot of work with the troops. They actually did a memorial in his honor, and that's what that was right there. It's beautiful, very humbling to be around that with no other people and just take in the energy of the situation. Now what you'll see is just a few clips of me flying home and kind of the end of the California trip. I hope that you enjoyed everything that you saw. If you get a chance, definitely check out San Diego. Definitely check out La Jolla. Totally life-changing, an amazing experience. To me as we go. Until next time. As we roll down this unfamiliar